Today, we'll uncover 10 surprising eco-friendly hacks to help you live greener. Most of them are so simple you can start using them today. 1. Banana peel for cleaning silverware. Use banana peels to shine your silverware naturally. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh cleaners. 2. Reuse coffee grounds. Don't toss used coffee grounds. They're perfect for fertilizing plants and scrubbing tough stains. 3. Turn wine corks into coasters. Upcycle old wine corks into trendy coasters. An easy DIY project that reduces waste. 4. Switch to a soap bar. Ditch plastic soap bottles and go for package-free soap bars. Better for the planet and your wallet. 5. Use leftover pasta water for plants. Cooled pasta water is rich in nutrients. Reuse it to water your plants. 6. Beeswax wraps. Instead of plastic, wrap swap. Plastic wraps for reusable beeswax wraps to reduce kitchen waste. 7. Line dry clothes. Save energy by line drying clothes instead of using a dryer. It's gentler on fabrics too. 8. Collect water while waiting for it to heat. Use a bucket to collect water while waiting for the shower or tap to heat. Use this water for cleaning or gardening. 9. Use cloth napkins. Replace paper napkins with washable cloth ones. They're more durable and reduce paper waste. 10. DIY air fresheners. Create your own air fresheners with baking soda and essential oils, avoiding harmful chemicals and reducing plastic waste. Which of these eco-friendly hacks surprised you the most? Try one this week, and don't forget to share your results in the comments below. Let's make sustainable living easy, one hack at a time.